join our backup channel as this one may get deleted any day because of copyright issues.
हेलो गाइस करना था ना हेलो
हाँ किया ना हेलो 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 हेलो
so we got a lot of recommendation of this song Jiya Jale. I thought the Dil Se, the
Hindi
popular one.
Yeah.
So with Preeti Zinta on it dancing.
So this one is not popular, you're saying?
Stop it! Don't make it controversial. so I thought
One dislike for her, one like for me.
No, I know you love me.
Yeah.
So
we all do. Carry on, madam.
So
Yeah. Please enlighten us. So
I was very excited for this Jiya Jale.
Jiya Jale. Wow. What an introduction.
Jiya Jale song. Because I remember as a kid I used to sing like Andre Vandre Tandre Don, Andre Vandre Tandre Don, Andre Vandre Tandre Tare. Please don't dislike it.
Wow, that was not racist at all.
Please don't make it controversial.
Yeah,
I was a kid.
know. As a kid, we did not.
I didn't even know which language was it.
Yeah,
now I know. Now I exploring. Now I'm.
Now I exploring.
Now I am exploring.
I want justice for Rashmi. Yeah.
So let's watch it.
Anything else to add?
Jiya Jale. Hari Shankar.
It's a studio recording, Coke studio type.
Why every band has a one guy who have long hair?
Featuring Rajesh Vaidya. So I think his name is Rajesh.
I really want to
His
learn.
finger game is very strong. Wow, it's very hard. You see his nails. Let it start.
है കുറുവാലിക്കിളിയേ കൊക്കുരു ഗുരു ഗുരു കൂവി കുറുകി കുന്നി മരത്തേനു എല്ലാടി കൂടുമൊരുക്കി കൂട്ടുവിളിക്കുന്നേ മാരൻ നിന്നെ കൂകി കുറുകി കൂട്ടുവിളിക്കുന്നേ കൊക്കുരു ഗുരു ഗുരു കൂവി കുറുകി കുന്നി മരത്തേനു എല്ലാടി കൂടുമൊരുക്കി കൂട്ടുവിളിക്കുന്നേ മാരൻ നിന്നെ കൂകി കുറുകി കൂട്ടുവിളിക്കുന്നേ തങ്കക്കൊലുസല്ലേ കുറുകും കുയിലല്ലേ മാരനുമയിലല്ലേ ഹോയ് തങ്കക്കൊലുസല്ലേ കുറുകും കുയിലല്ലേ മാരനുമയിലല്ലേ ജിയ ജലേ ജാ ജലേ നैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सके जिया जले जा जले नैनो तले धुआं चले रात भर धुआं चले जानू ना सके जिया जले जा जले
Very soothing voice. Already loving it.
Loving this guy also.
This I love.
देखते हैं तन मेरा मन में छुपती है नजर होठ सिल जाते उनके नर्म होठों से मगर गिनती रहती हूँ मैं अपनी करवटों के सिलसिले क्या करो कैसे कहो रात कब कैसे ढले
Wow. Awesome.
हो நெஞ்சினிலே ஊஞ்சலே நாணங்கள் என் கண்ணிலே சிவந்ததே என் மஞ்சளே
was the star. That Sitar. What is this? Pragathi. That's
Oh, the band.
That's the band name. Pragathi band.
Be nice, be nice.
Oh, I never knew like this version of Jia Jale also exists.
Yeah.
What? I did not
it
pause. No.
Why?
You are ekdam useless. Useless fellow. So yeah, this is something that you wanted to watch also. So you take the lead.
So, like the each scene I remember, like
Of the movie, of the song.
of the song, and I can just like
You can visualize.
yes, that's the word.
Reshmi has her way with word, guys,
Yeah.
as you guys can see.
वो वाला चीज. So
Yeah.
I remember how Preeti Zinta dances like Jiya Jale in that Kerala boat.
Kerala boat. मतलब boat का भी Kerala boat.
अरे नहीं, Kerala का boat.
So they have Kerala boat, Andhra boat, Karnataka boat, Punjab boat, Delhi
Stop
boat.
this troll, okay?
Like they have different version of boat
Someday
according
you
to
guys
state.
will see in this chair is empty, and that day you will think
Kerala boat.
the guy is dead.
And at that time they won't watch Filmosophy anymore.
So
These
guys,
are my chettas.
No, these are my chetas.
anyways.
My chetas and chechis.
Chechis, yeah. Chechis are very less
But
in
we
our...
need more chechis.
Yeah, we
also.
need both. Yeah.
So this song is sweet. Like I don't have words to explain this song because like Mani Ratnam is a director which like it's a like bucket list or something you can say that I really want to see him like in person. Like I
want to meet him?
Yeah, I want to meet him. He's like I have watched all his movies in Hindi, of course. Like the most special movie of him is बॉम्बे. अच्छा वैसे देख लो तो बॉम्बे उसका ही है ना.
उसका ही है.
मुझे कंफ्यूजन लग जाता है गाइस. So I really love Mani Ratnam sir. Like I can't even express how much I love his movies, and especially he's the only one director who can take love story into a different thing. Like he can make a love story like in Dil Se, the character of Monisha is a terrorist. Yes.
Monisha Koirala.
Yeah.
Koirala.
So we can't expect also like in his movies the love stories. Oof. I can't. Like I'm a big fan of not com, but
only rom.
only rom also com also. Like
Yeah.
I really love like movies about love, how he shows love. And Bombay is a like rooted story of India. Like I really love Bombay. Like I can't even tell you how much I love Bombay. Like
Is it part of that song?
No.
That's so from Dil Se.
No,
Yeah.
it's from Dil Se, and
Yeah.
like what can be a bigger tribute than this song? Like I didn't knew earlier that the Nandar Kyo is from like Kerala. It's
Yeah.
Malayalam. It's in Malayalam.
Yeah. In school you've heard it, no?
Yeah, in school times, like we used to dance, right?
It's okay.
I'm sorry if I sound like
Racist, yeah. But she's not, trust me. She's
I'm not,
anything but racist.
I'm because I'm the victim of racism.
Yeah, true. She's
I
also...
can't be racist.
Acha, tell them that story. Hey, Nepali, that story.
Oh, guys, recently we are currently in Karnataka, so
In Bangalore.
please, if you want to watch only the reaction, you can just go. Please don't give us galis on the comment.
Yeah. They won't.
They won't. Yeah,
They are gentlemen.
They love us. So
Yeah.
recently what happened? We went to a pastry shop
Yeah.
to have pastry, and suddenly a kid with cycle.
We went to pastry shop to have pastry.
Suddenly
Yeah.
they have all other stuff also, right?
Yeah.
So the kid,
Like
a
biryani.
random kid comes and he goes like,
Hey, Nepali.
नहीं तुम नेपाली है ना? And like he's
No, at first he was like Nepali.
oh yeah.
He was standing
So I'm
few
so,
meters away.
So I'm so used to like this Nepali Chinese thing. So
Yeah.
I know I look like I have a Mongolian face, but you don't have to tell on my face like you look like that. You look different.
Yeah.
Like
We are
you can
from
tell me
Northeast.
like you are so beautiful like that Korean
Why
actress.
would they lie?
No, no.
Lying is not good. No.
No, you can tell me like you look like that Korean actress, you look like that Chinese actress. That sounds better, guys. you can be that kind of racist, but not like hey Chinese. Not that kind
No,
of
no, our
racist.
audience
Yeah.
never does that.
Yeah,
They
I
show
think,
so much of love
I
in the
think,
comments.
yeah, recently, like I think no comment was such.
Yeah,
as
never,
that,
never,
that
yeah.
cruel. Like and
Yeah.
and
When
let
our
me tell you
channel-
about that kid. The kid was so irritating that he continuously calling me like तुम नेपाली है ना
मुझे पता है.
and he's like he's kid, so we can't do anything, right? We can't slap a kid. Though I wanted to.
I wanted to as well.
So he's like तुमको कैसे मालूम नेपाली? So he's like
I was
मुझे-
getting very angry, but
Yeah.
since it's a public place, I cannot
plus,
do
plus
anything.
a kid
Yeah.
like it will be very cruel to do something with the kid, like it's their parents who don't teach them
Yeah,
anything.
yeah.
So then he's like मुझे पता है वो नेपाली है, and like then the pastry guy
Yeah, the owner.
the owner and the
They
worker
came
like
in.
they hush him away.
Hashim.
Yeah.
They were
So
speaking in
that-
Kannada, which we could not understand.
Yeah,
So,
so that's what happened with me, guys.
It has
I
no
can't
connection
be
with Jia
racist.
Jale.
No, I'm just giving my explanation that I'm not a racist because I am the product of racism.
Product of racism. Flag bearer of racism.
No, the victim of racism.
Racism,
So
yeah.
I like on my worst time also I can't be racist.
Yeah. None of us are racist.
Yeah.
We don't need to be preachy. I think the audience who knows us, they will know. Anyways, coming back to the song, Jia Jale, to I also remember like watching it back when I was in school.
It used to come in like
Yeah.
9XM.
9XM and all that. Yeah. So
MTV times.
this version I never heard, especially the guy with the sitar. Oh my god, legend. He has his way with fingers. Like it's very good. Yeah, no, jokes apart.
demean it.
No, jokes apart. We really love this song. This was also recommended a lot of
Yeah,
times.
this
Or
was
it's
also
your
recommended.
recommendation.
No,
You
no.
added it
No,
because you wanted to
No,
react
I
to it.
didn't know about this song also, but
Oh, acha.
but many of you guys have recommended this song, and
Yeah.
I'm glad that you recommended it. It reminded me of a lot of my
Childhood days.
where I used to like in Tripura. For your kind information, we do have pond in our like home, like
What?
pond.
Pond. Okay.
What
okay.
did you?
Carry on.
You see
What?
the dirty mind. So
For your information.
so pond we have
POND.
POND we have pond
Yeah.
in our house, and like I used to go near that pond, and I used to do all that whatever the
Step.
Preeti Zinta does in that song, like not saying again. Okay, I think we should go.
Guys, let us know if anyone is watching till now. Comment the word China so that we know if you are watching till now. So no. The reason I'm asking you jokes apart is that please comment down below. Should we react to the original song, the original Jia Jale with Preeti Zinta? That I can see that.
I think it has
Rashmi-
Malayalam version also.
So no, I can see that you are very passionate about it. Like you're feeling it. You are dancing also. So I don't remember that song. I also need to check it out. So should we react to that original version, the original video song of Jia Jale from the movie Dil Se, directed by the legendary visionary Mani Ratnam sir? So should we do it? Let us know in the comment below. I think we had our fun. We should end this.
Yeah.
Right.
For the love of movies, please like, share, subscribe to Filmosophy. Bye.